All right, if you're not using prompt editing to branch conversations within ChatGPT, you are absolutely missing out. When you're having a long, iterative conversation with a large language model, over time the conversation starts to get a bit polluted and it creates output degradation over time. But using the edit feature, you can branch the conversations to not only maintain the full context of the conversation you're having, but also create offshoot dialogues that don't pollute the entire conversation. Here's a good example. Put in a basic prompt, brainstorming prompt around giving me 5 ideas for LinkedIn posts. Gives me some great ideas. I dig this one, but instead of going to the bottom and having it keep going, I simply edit this prompt and branch the conversation to, now can you help me generate a full post draft of the first idea, Confessions of an AI Coach. Gives me a deeper look. Then took it a step further and said, can you now develop a carousel style variant with visuals? So we've not stopped the conversation, just created multiple conversations to keep it focused on the task at hand while maintaining the integrity of the previous conversation. It's a great way to maximize your outputs as you iterate on a longer conversation that you're having with ChatGPT. Cheers.